Hello and welcome to this easy, healthy, tasty, quick cooking tip. Now, I don't know about you, but sometimes I can't be bothered making mashed potato because I can't wait for the potatoes to cook. My kids are hungry now, or I'm hungry now, and I need dinner as fast as possible. So let me show you something that I found in the supermarket that you might find useful too. Did you know that you can buy frozen mashed potato? Now, in one of our other easy, healthy, tasty recipes, we have used dead potato to top, I think it was our cottage pie recipe. I'll link it up top though, so feel free to go and watch it. Now, with dead potato, there's a few extra additives in it, and it's not just exactly the same as mashed potato. But in this one, let me read you the ingredients list. And this isn't a sponsored video or anything, by the way. This is just me telling you about a product that I think is really useful and can save you time in the kitchen. So this one is potato, milk, butter, salt, pepper, nutmeg. That's it. It's just mashed potato like you would make at home, but already made for you. I'll show you too that this comes in these little frozen battens. So you just pull out the number that you need for the portion that you want, and then you can defrost it in the microwave, or you can cook it on the stovetop. Now, for me, sometimes it's a bit dry, so I might like to add a little bit of extra milk, but you can change that however you want. So there you go. Mashed potato in the freezer section. Go and look for it if that's something that you think would help you be able to cook for yourself more in the kitchen.